Buying a new construction home is not just about picking wall colors or tile patterns, it goes beyond. In today's video, we're going to talk about the hidden costs of buying a new construction home. You may want to stick around till the end so you can have all the knowledge about the costs associated with buying a new construction home. So if you're buying a new construction home, you'll probably checking online the builders' websites. You probably know all the models that they have available, which one are your favorites, and you often see the price. If the builders doesn't have an inventory home, you'll probably be looking at the base price of each of the home. So the base price, what it means is that is the price that it will take to build a house with pretty much standard features. If you probably walked to a model house, you see the house with pretty much all the upgrades, maybe granite countertops, really nice styles throughout the house, but that doesn't mean that the house itself comes with that. Sometimes the builders do have inventory homes that already include many of these features and with the final price added on. But if it is not an inventory home, that means what you see online to build a house, it will come actually with the base price. So now that we have covered pretty much what the base price means, if you walk to a builder or you walk to a neighborhood, you start looking at the floor plans that they offer, and let's say you fall in love with a floor plan that is perfect for your family. Now you need to figure out where this home is going to be built. So believe it or not, the location of where your house is going to be matters. So for example, the builder already has a map that includes where each of the homes will be built. Sometimes they already have a particular floor plan to a lot number assigned. So they know exactly what house will be built in what lot. What that means is, depending on number one, the lot size, the location of the lot, will come with a price tag. So that is something that you guys need to consider if you're buying a new construction home and it's not an inventory, because remember, the inventory homes already has all of these features into consideration in the price that they are offering. So I'm talking about a house that is not ready yet. So now let's talk about the upgrades. We already talked about when you guys walk into a model home, the model home usually has plenty of upgrades inside the house, and that is something that you guys need to consider. What are the things that are really important in terms of the way you want your house to be? So my suggestion will be to make a must-have list of the things that you consider are important to you guys. So when I was building my house, we actually considered that the main floor had to be tiles throughout. That is something that we had to think about in, we decided that the second floor, we could do some DIY projects that we could take along. So one thing, this particular is not really a cost, but it can actually have a huge impact along the way, and it's about timing. Let's say it can take 6 or 7 months for a builder to finish your house. And let's say here in Florida, we are impacted by hurricanes, rain season, and that can have an impact on the time or the estimated time the builder said your house was going to be ready. And now you have a delay in the delivery of your house. So with this one, your lease may need to be extended, and if your landlord does not allow for an extension of the lease for, let's say, one month of rent, you'll have to, you'll end up with a cost associated with going to another place, maybe a hotel, which is more expense on your pocket. We're going to talk about an upfront cost that is is not seen very often, and is when you're ready to commit with this builder. They will usually ask for a larger down payment, or maybe not down payment, but a deposit that you will need to make as soon as you sign the contract with the builder. So usually when you're buying a regular house, it's not a new construction home, you'll probably can do maybe a like a 1% deposit, and the builder will usually request the full, depending on the program that you are approved, a 3.5 or maybe 3, between 3 and 5% down payment. In buying a new construction home, then it also includes pretty much the same standard cost. That means you'll have an inspection cost. If you opt to do one, you'll have property taxes, HOA fees that will be added up to, whenever you're closing on the house. You'll also have to bring your down payment, and you'll have to pay, if you're getting a loan, your lender fees as well. So I hope you found this video useful and informative. And if you liked what this video was about, give me a thumbs up. I will also look forward to seeing you on my next video.